night, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm coming at you live here from Hawaii. So beautiful here, you guys. Ooh, it's just perfection, but I will say it is super loud. I really wanted to film this get ready with me, but I think the makeup portion of this video I'm gonna have to do, like, put some music over it because it is just so freaking loud here, but it's just so pretty. So like I said, this video is gonna be a get ready with me. I'm gonna do my hair, makeup, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, jewelry details, so on and so forth. For my hair right now, my hair was kind of damp. We went to the beach earlier. I came back, took a shower, and I braided it in these French braids, put some hairspray, and then kind of ran a blow dryer over it. It's still a little bit damp, but I figured in the hour and a half it's gonna take me to get ready, it'll dry all the way. Fingers crossed. I do have my makeup here in this bag, so I'll be doing that shortly. As far as what I'm wearing, I'm planning on wearing just my black rubber Birkenstocks with this orange, burnt orange dress, I would say, that I got from Old Navy. I haven't tried it on yet, so I hope it works. The tags are literally still on it, but it's just a cute little flowy dress. I think perfect for Hawaii weather. As far as jewelry goes, I brought my little travel jewelry case that I love so much. And of course I'm gonna wear my wedding rings. I think I'm gonna go with these chunky gold hoops. As far as the necklace goes, I think I'm just gonna go with a gold snake chain, but we will see. And then for perfume, my fave, Dossier, which Dossier is sponsoring in this portion of the video, so thank you so much. You guys, I've worked with Dossier for a long time now, and I just cannot get over how much I love their perfume. It's just so great to travel with, especially this cap is like heavy duty, man. I do this in every single one of my Dossier videos, but like it goes on there. It's a super strong magnet. This one is in citrus green apple, and smells just like Dolce & Gabbana light blue. It smells bomb. If you guys are new to Dossier or you don't know what Dossier is, it is a perfume company that makes fragrances inspired by higher end fragrances, but for a fraction of the price. They are always running sales. They also gave me a little coupon code, which I will put here on screen, as well as link it down below. Their perfumes are seriously so good, and the ingredients are cleaner than the ingredients on the clean list at Sephora, so definitely a plus. Their packaging is super cute, very simple, just a little box. It gives you a card with what the perfume is, what it's inspired by, and it's just the best. So I will leave all of the information for Dossier down below. Don't forget to go check them out. All right, let's get into this get ready with me. Like I said, most of this makeup portion I'm gonna do, like, put music to it, but I wanted to show you guys some of the products I've been using a lot recently. They're just my favorite. I was pressured into buying them by my sister. Okay, I'm kidding, I wasn't pressured. She asked me and I said, heck yeah. But let me find them. So I haven't been wearing full-on foundation, and Hawaii weather is not weather to be wearing foundation in any way. So I've just been concealing under my eyes and a teeny bit in my T-zone area and my chin scarring here. After I conceal, then I use the Charlotte Tilbury products, the contour and the blush, you guys. No words. It is just so good, so good. So you'll see me apply these products in this video, which I'm excited about, and then I just set it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So let's get into it.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so, oh, you're looking so, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Auto, your taste.
Got laid twice today, you know? That's good.
That was it for this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and check Dossier out down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!